All right, kids, you ever buy a new shower fixture, shower head, and it works like this? It's pathetic. No water's coming out. That's because of your government. Your government has decided that you should only get a certain amount of water per second, and it's absolutely stupid. Luckily for you and me, the manufacturers know this is stupid and want us to be able to use their products the way they designed it. So inside of every single new shower head you buy, probably, I don't know in the United States, but probably in Europe and most of the developed world, it's a real easy fix. They put a water flow restrictor in there, and it's easy to take out. So let's get on that. Let me show you how to do that. So here's that shower fixture, and that blue thing, that's the water flow restrictor. It's almost always a different color. Manufacturers do that on purpose because they know they want you to remove that crap so you can enjoy their product the way they designed it. Sometimes you can grab it and pull it out with pliers. I'm not going to be able to, but I wanted to show it. And if when you're working in here, be sure not to mess up the threads, any of the other plastic in there. That's pretty important. You don't want this thing leaking forever. It's not all blue. Sometimes it's a different color, but it's most definitely going to stand out. Now this is a 3-inch or 2.5-inch coarse thread drywall screw. Do this by hand. Do not use a power tool because you do not want to risk messing up the other plastic. These plastics pretty easy to screw up, and once you mess up the threads to the shower fixture, it's going to leak from now to eternity. So get that screw in there real deep, some vice grips or other nice pliers, and just yank it out of there. Remember, it might be red, might be yellow. It's almost always going to be a different color than the rest of the fixture. But just grab it and yank it out of there. Trust me, it's designed for the manufacturer to be removed. Moen, who made this one, hates this stuff. I hate this stuff. You hate this stuff. Take that little blue thing, throw it away or burn it so you can damage the atmosphere in retaliation. And just kidding, don't do that. But go have a nice clean day. Thanks, love you guys. Subscribe and all that.